Hello students, today we will learn lesson 6 of ENV foods we eat. Last night I ate a chapati made of bajra with jaggery. Now some students here, they are sitting and talking about what they have eaten. Now this boy is telling that he ate chapati made of bajra and jaggery, that is good. Other girl is telling I cooked dal and rice. The other one is telling yesterday no food was cooked in my house. And this boy is telling I went to the Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar and he ate dal and chapati there. Now this girl is telling Ammi had cooked kheer and puri which I don't like. So I ate an omelette instead. So she did not like kheer and puri, so she ate an omelette. Now this girl is telling my mother cooked fish. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty. Now she liked fish, so she ate. This boy is telling my mother brought noodles for us from the house where she works. We enjoyed eating it. So his mother brought some noodles from the place where she worked. He enjoyed noodles. Next. Now children, here a picture of a plate is given. You have to fill up what you have eaten. So fill it up. For example, you might have eaten chapati, curry, bhakri, khichdi, whatever you have eaten, you can fill up. And the remaining questions and answers for this I have given you in the notes. Next page. Now there is a story about Vipul's family. In Vipul's family, there are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think these people do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Now children, in the family there are members of all ages. So some of them can eat and some of them cannot eat. Now let us read about Vipul's family. While returning home from school, Vipul bought a bhutta, that is corn cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Chutki? I want to see her." Now Vipul, while returning from school, he bought a bhutta and he asked his mother where Chutki was. His mother replied, "Chutki is in the room upstairs." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." Now Vipul asked his grandmother to come upstairs with him. But his mother said that she had soaked chapati in dal for her, so she wanted her to take her meal first. "Have you put sugar in the dal? After coming to Nagpur, you have forgotten our own way of making food," said Dadi to Vipul's mother. Now Dadi told to Vipul's mother whether she had added sugar to dal or not. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. So Vipul's mother replied that she had already tasted the dal and she has prepared it well. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. Now Vipul wanted her grandmother to follow him. So he picked up the plate and ran upstairs and asked her to follow quickly. "When I was your age, I could run up a hill in the same time," said Dadi. Now Dadi said, "When I was of your age, I could run like you, but now I can't." Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy, washed his hands and lifted little Chutki. Now mommy was sitting with Chutki. He gave his bhutta to mommy and he washed his hand and lifted Chutki. Suddenly Chutki started crying. "She is hungry," said mommy. She sat down to feed Chutki. Now when he picked Chutki, Chutki started crying because she was hungry. So Mami sat down to feed her. Now children, based on this story, you have some questions here, and answers for these questions I have given you in the notes. Now next, ask your elders and fill in the tables. What can they eat and what they cannot eat. Now, child, what can they eat? Now, child, milk, we give them pulses, and what they cannot eat because they don't have teeth, they can't eat chapati, hard fruits, nuts, etc. And young people, they can eat everything. They are young, they have strong teeth. So, chapati, vegetable, nuts, fruits. And what they cannot eat? There is nothing they cannot eat. So you write they can eat everything. Now old people, they can eat chapati soaked in dal and rice, khichdi, etc. And what they cannot eat? Hard fruits, dry fruits, etc. Now, next, you have to put a circle on the things that you eat often. So, very often we eat rice, wheat, oats, maize, etc. Whatever you eat very often, that is frequently, you can circle it. Next page. And you find out where each of these things is eaten more. That is where you find rice, wheat, maize. You have to write the places. And this answer I have given you in the notes. We not only eat different things, but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food items. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. Now children, rice. With rice we can prepare many things. Wheat, we can prepare many things. Now you have to write some food items prepared from wheat and rice. For example, from wheat we can prepare halwa, chapati, bhakri, muthia, thepla, sukhdi, etc. So, this also I have given you in the notes as a question. Next, likes and dislikes. Write names of 3 food items that you like to eat and 3 you dislike. So, whatever you like you can write them, and whatever you dislike you can write according to your taste. Next page. Next, let us talk to some people and know what they like to eat. Now, this is Li Shen. He lives in Hong Kong. He is telling my mother and I both love to eat snakes. Whenever we feel like eating snakes, we go to a nearby hotel and eat Ling Hu Fen. Now, they like snakes, they go to the hotel and eat this item. Next is Junie. I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa. We ate fish there, but it tasted very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. Now, they like fish cooked in mustard oil. Mustard oil means sarson ka tel. But the fish was cooked in coconut oil, so it tasted differently. Next is Thomas. I live in Kerala. I really like to eat two things. Both grow in our courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground. It is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. It is very good. So, he liked tapioca boiled with curry. That is sabudana. Next. Now, what are the reasons that decide what we eat? Put a right on them and add to the list. Now, children, Some items are there which we cannot eat because they are not available. So what we eat and why do we eat them? You have to write the reasons. Now 3 reasons are given there. What is easily available, what we can buy, that is we can afford them. Customs and traditions. Now there are customs of eating some food items on some occasions, right? And other things I have given you in the notes. You can copy them. Next, names of some things are given below. Put a right on the things that can be eaten. If you are not sure about anything, you may ask your teacher. Now, some food items are given here. So, you have to put a tick mark on food items that we eat. Now, banana flower, drumstick, flowers we don't eat. Mushroom we eat. Lotus stem we eat. Red ants we don't eat. Leftover chapati some people eat. Camel's milk, put a tick mark. Hen's eggs, non-veg people they eat eggs, so put a tick mark. Leaves of arvi, put a tick mark. Rat we don't eat. Fish, put a tick mark. Frog we don't eat. Amla, chapati made of bajra we eat. Cauliflower we eat. Meat, non-veg people eat. Seeds of onion, that is kalonji, we eat. Crab we don't eat. Grass we don't eat. Coconut oil we eat, and chapati made of gram we eat. Now next, write the names of some food items that you have never eaten before but feel like eating. So if any item is there that you wanted to eat but you cannot eat, write them.